The diagnostic trouble codes P0062 and P0063 are related to the heater control circuit of the heated oxygen sensor, Bank 2, Sensor 3. P0062 indicates a malfunction in the heater control circuit, while P0063 indicates that the heater control circuit voltage is lower than expected. These codes are commonly caused by a faulty oxygen sensor, damaged wiring or connectors, poor electrical connections, a blown fuse, or a problem with the engine control module. Common symptoms include an illuminated check engine light, increased fuel consumption, higher exhaust emissions, and delayed oxygen sensor operation, particularly during cold starts. Here is one practical solution used to fix these error codes. The oxygen sensor. This oxygen sensor is located right after the catalytic converter. Bank 2 is on the side with the cylinder number 2. Sensor number 3 is downstream of the last catalyst in the exhaust system. Visually check the oxygen sensor's electrical connections, wire harness, and metal tabs for any damages. If damages are found, replace the oxygen sensor. If there is no damage found on the oxygen sensor, you would need to take your car to consult professional mechanics. So here is one practical solution used to fix the P0062, P0063 and P0064 error codes. After the repair, you can now use the HO2S app to clear the error code. And tap the rescan button one more time to make sure everything is fine with your vehicle. To save more money on car expenses, claim a free engine code scanner at the description link below, or check out the video here for more info. You're also welcome to leave comments below. Our mechanic professionals will answer them shortly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching this video.